What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we'll be fixing a lot of stuff on the 8.6 that have issues. So first, these stupid things. Maybe this bumper gap I need to fix, some wiring in there. There's a lot more other stuff. Oh, this too. My side skirt's falling off. Yeah, so to get started, I also have a box full of other stuff. Also, you spray paint that. Yeah. So we have the carbon side markers to install. That's a couple engine things. We have this cover, Grimmspeed cover, about to use the quick release bumper tabs. I believe this is for the brake cylinder brace, something like this. I don't know what it's called, but yeah, pick that up. I think this part of this. I'll figure it out. I got YouTube it. I got all secondhand. Carbon rain guards, and one of the coolest piece is this TRD Aero that goes across the window on the driver side and passenger. But yeah, I'll unwrap it and show you guys soon. So yeah, let's get to installing. That's where that should belong. Those things are trash. Okay, so I got the bumper off. So anyone curious, this is how I mount my splitter. I believe these brackets from chassis mount. Yeah. I gotta fix these wirings. I don't want them accidentally rubbing, so I think I'm just gonna zip tie them here also. I need a new windshield washer reservoir. If anyone knows a smaller one I could fit into this, that'd be great. If you could recommend any. Yeah, so thinking if I should take these off to put those quick release tabs on. I don't know if I want to, how much I want to drill into the side of my bumper. Yeah, so we got a full day of this. Let's get this going. Guess first we'll start off with the side markers. So let's see how that fits on. So first we're actually gonna install the Grimmspeed cover. There's two bolts. I already took one out. You take the other one, and then this for these two covers. We gotta take them off. Yeah, so this will replace it. Let me do that now and show you guys how it looks. So that's how it looks like installed. Looks clean with all the red. Yeah, there's just a spacer in between. It's a longer bolt after you take out the two pulley covers. I'm not sure how much this will protect from the rain, just because I have the vents. And I think these vents drop onto this area. So hopefully it should be fine. I'm hoping for the best. But yeah, if anything, I'll just save the OEM covers just in case. So yeah. I think next maybe we'll do the brake cylinder brace. So let's go install that. I made a mistake on the cover, there was this plate I had to install. So this plate, there's wiring under the AC compressor. So apparently this is what the wiring will hold on to. And I forgot to install it. So, yeah, let me do that real quick and I'll show you guys what it's supposed to look like. Yeah. Hey guys, so this is how it should look like, the bracket. You just take the OEM ball, put it here. The sensors go here, clips go there. I believe this one should be loosened. I don't want to say it is because it's a little close here. So I'm going to loop a zip tie here to keep this steady. After that, I'll put the cover back on. So yeah. Also to note, so there's these bolts. This one's shorter. That one is longer, so be careful. So the longer one goes on the AC pulley, and this one goes on the alternator. So yeah. So yeah, just to note, this shorter one on the left passenger side, longer one on the right driver's side. Now we'll finally install this. Should be going right over there. Okay, show you guys how it's done. Okay, to do this, let me flip you guys around. So to install a master cylinder brakes, the fuel line bolt right over here. It's hard to see. Right over here. You gotta take that off, and then there's this one black sticker. The one close to the brake cylinder. You have to take that off. It'll help to remove these. You don't need to, but it'll help. But I'm not going to because I don't feel like I'm loosening more extra bolts. Yeah, so crusty in here. Okay, yeah, let me loosen that and then I'm gonna install the thing. Got it fully installed. So this stopper, you have to feed it into this bolt. It didn't screw on. I thought it screws on at the end. So you're gonna put it resting on the cylinder. Make sure this bolt is all the way in. And when you do that, you just an Allen key hole here. You put the Allen key, this, tighten it, and then use this to lock it in. That's really it. So I think the pedal feel should feel a little stiffer. I don't know how much noticeable it'll be. But yeah. Yeah, I'm not sure how stiff it's gonna make it, but it's supposed to stop it from flexing, so it's supposed to help with pedal feel. So I guess next, do ring guards. Ring guards are nice. Yeah. I forgot what brand this is. Is it on here? I forgot what brand these are. Not sure if it's on here. Yeah, ring guards are nice. So let's do that next. I believe this is the driver's side, but we shall see. So these don't go on the body; they go on this like plastic trim. According to photos, I wish they had a template to help put it on. So I'm just gonna hold it on with this. Open, close my door to see, make sure it doesn't hit the ring guards. So yeah, do that. Mock it up. So I believe when I open this door, the window goes down a little bit. Should not hit this. It doesn't, but messed up my tape job. But yeah, let's put her down. So it turned out well. You just have to really follow the lines. I think how it's molded should fit the curve. So you just have to line the curve. Make sure put it on top of the trim bezel. Yeah, see, doesn't hit it when I open it. It's nice. It's in like a dry carbon finish too, which is really cool. I don't have that much carbon stuff on the side. Also, I'm thinking of getting like racing style mirrors. you guys want to see it, there's the one APR one everyone likes to get, but I don't really like that style. Faces too. I think if Visa Motorsports sell different ones. Yeah, let me know. Yeah, the rain guards are nice and subtle, and if you want to crack your window a little, it helps. So yeah, let's do the other side. I'll probably use a heat gun to make the promotion a little better, heat it up. It's a little chilly today, so yeah. We do the other side and we'll go on to the next mod. Okay, finally installed both the rain guards. It's pretty cool, looking crazy. So I got this Airwolf uh, mirror thing cover. I don't know whatever you want to call it, but it's pretty cool. Yeah, that's how it looks. Let me know what you guys think down below. So now moving forward, we got this really cool TRD piece. More Aero. I believe this guy goes here. Am I wrong? Nope. This one goes on the other side. Like this. I believe it's like that. Yeah. It's pretty cool. So there's one piece that's here, goes here, and then continues all the way up here. I think it's really nice. It's a nice accent with this. I'm actually have new fender fins coming in, the TRD ones. Need to get those painted. It's right over there. Just need to find a good auto body shop. But yeah, this will be pretty cool. Nice little mod. OEM TRD piece. Yeah, so let's get to installing that, and I'll show you guys how it looks. Okay, so I forgot to record me installing it, but it's really just double-sided tape, clean prime. Yeah, but I really like the flow, and fitment on this are like A1 because it's from actual Toyota. They're one of their TRD pieces for the cars. But yeah, hope you guys like that. I think it's really nice accent, the flow, the black. Keep going. Okay, so I think next will be side markers or fixing this. Maybe fixing this. Yeah, that was pretty dumb. I can't believe I cracked it too. Yeah, so let's get going. Okay, now let's install this one side. It's a little tricky, so I put one of the long bolts going here. You have to drill a hole that goes here. And then I fed a small bolt under because I don't feel like removing this bracket. It's so hard to see, but yeah. And then I added like a washer in between to give it the spacing a little bit, be more flush here. This all lines up top. It's pretty nice. It's just a big gap down here. I don't know. I'm not sure because of how it's made, or maybe it needs to be tilted a little bit more. But I think it's fine. Yeah, it does the job. I think it looks nice with the carbon air vent, carbon grill, fender, canards. It's a real nice touch. Yeah. So I'll do the other side, put it back on the car, and then I'll show you guys how it looks. We're almost done. So that's how it looks like. It's nice. It's popping out a little. So I think there's a washer I put here I'm gonna take out. This one I have no clue what's going on. I think it's just the bumper tab itself. It's not sitting right. That's a little better. Yeah, it still sticks out. I don't know why. need to figure that out. So I installed the quick release bumper on one side. It's a little tricky having to measure. What you have to do, you have to put the tab in first, the pin. Yeah, you put the pin in. FT Speed sells one. I bought it secondhand. They have a YouTube video up. You could just watch that. I'm not gonna repeat it. Did a lot today. Yeah, angle it, tape, put like some type of something. To mark it. Drill out using a Christmas bit tree. Went to drill out the hole to put this in. What I did is I taped before I made it bigger the hole I had for the pin at least. I took a measurement of that, mimic on this side, so it should be in this hole when I put it there. And then after I make sure it fits in there, I will put the quick release tab on. So guys, here it is all put together. Yeah, bumper tabs, marker, the arrow. I still haven't fixed this high skirt. I've been spray painting the harness bar. Yeah, I'll be ending it here. I'll fix that. I'm so tired. It's so hot out now. Yeah. But yeah, if you guys like it, like, comment, subscribe down below. Yeah, till next time. Peace.